Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're finding the mean of data in frequency tables. Let's take a look at this frequency table. We have some test scores and their frequencies. So this means that 3 people scored a score of 3, 4 people got a 4, and so on. So to get the mean of the test scores, the first thing we need to do is add up the total number of students. So if you add all these frequencies together, these are the total number of students, 25. And next we need to find the total score. So if we have 3 students score a score of 3, then their total is 9. So we're going to be multiplying the scores by the frequency. Okay, and I'm going to call the score column X and the frequency column F. And I can call this new column F times X. So I'm going to multiply all the scores by the frequencies to get the total scores. So 4 times 4 is 16, and so on. So I multiply all that together and add them together, and I get a total of 129. Now to get the mean of the test scores, we just take 129 and divide it by 25, and we get the mean of the test scores. And you get an answer of about 5.16, which seems pretty reasonable. Okay, so that's one type of frequency table, but we could also have a frequency table where the data is in intervals. Okay, so it's a bit trickier. So if we take a look at this data, one person is in the age range of 50 to 59. But we have no idea how old this person is. He could be 50 or 59, he could be 56. So we have to do an estimate for this type of frequency table. Our best estimate would be to take the middle value of 50 to 59 and the middle value of 40 to 49, the middle value of each of these intervals, and then multiply it by the frequency. Okay, so this is just an estimate. So firstly we have the interval 10 to 19. If we get the median of 10 to 19, we get 10 plus 19 over 2 is 14.5. So the median is 14.5. Okay, I'm going to make a new column here. I'm going to call it the class center. Okay, because these numbers are the center of each of these intervals. 14.5 is the center value of 10 to 19. 24.5 is in the center of this interval, and so on. So you can just do 50 plus 59 divided by 2, and then you get your 54.5. So those are the medians of each of the intervals. We're going to multiply that by the frequency of each interval. And we get these numbers, just some calculator work. Okay, and then we can add together the frequencies again to get the total number of people. And we get 18. And add together these ages here to get the total ages, total of the ages. We get 471. So to get the mean, we take 471 divided by 18. And that's about 26.2. And remember, that's just an estimate because we estimated the ages in each of the intervals. So that's how you find the mean of data in a frequency table.